Children, let's continue with the lesson. Some legend tells us that it was a Buddhist monk named Bodhidharma who was the first to use tea as a drink. He was keen to find a herb or a medicinal plant which would help him stay awake and alert for long periods of time in prayer and meditation. After considerable search and trial, he found that chewing leaves from the tea shrub acted as a stimulant, helping him stay awake. It was he who introduced tea among his disciples in China. It is said that Japanese priests studying under Buddhist teachers in China carried tea seeds and leaves back home with them. Turkish traders also began to bargain for tea on the border of Mongolia. In fact, the story goes that the Chinese Emperor Huizong was so taken up with tea that he set up a research into the best tea whisking methods and also hosted tea making and tea tasting tournaments in the court. So tea-minded was he, that he failed to notice that Mongolia had actually taken over his empire. Thus, the habit of drinking tea spread to Japan, Europe, and England, where it became a fashionable and popular drink among the people. It is interesting that Chinese character tea was first used in early inscriptions to describe tea, but later a new character, cha, was developed to refer specifically to tea. The word cha is now sometimes used in English to refer to China tea, and it is very close to the Hindi word chai, which is used all over India to refer to tea. How did tea first come to India? Historians think that tea had been known in India as a medicinal plant since ancient times. But tea was not drunk for pleasure until the British began to establish plantations in the 19th century. In the 1770s, the British East India Company made several unsuccessful attempts to grow tea in Bhutan and Assam with seeds from China. Although these attempts failed, the botanist Robert Bruce in 1823 discovered tea plants growing wild in the upper Brahmaputra Valley. In May 1838, the first Indian tea from Assam was sent to England for public sale. Since then, India has gradually become one of the leading producers of tea in the world.